Coffea cruda, Allen's keynotes. Coffee, family, rubiaceae. Tall, lean, stooping persons, dark complexion, sanguine, choleric temperament. Oversensitiveness, all the senses more acute, sight, hearing, smell, touch, taste. Unusual activity of mind and body. Full of ideas, quick to act, no sleep on this account. Ailments, the bad effects of sudden emotions or pleasurable surprises. Weeping from delight, alternate laughing and weeping. Pains are felt intensely, seem almost insupportable, driving patient to despair, tossing about in anguish. Sleepless, wide awake condition, impossible to close the eyes, physical excitement through mental exaltation. Headache from over mental exertion, thinking, talking one-sided, as from a nail driven into the brain, as if brain were torn or dashed to pieces, worse in open air. I repeat, headache from over mental exertion, thinking, talking one-sided, as from a nail driven into the brain, as if brain were torn or dashed to pieces, worse in open air. Hasty eating and drinking. Toothache, intermittent jerking, relieved by holding ice water in mouth, but returns when water becomes warm. Relations. Compare aconite, chamomilla, ignitia, sulfur. Incompatible, cantharis, causticum, cocculus, ignitia. Aggravation, sudden mental emotion, excessive joy, cold, open air, narcotic medicine. Coffea cruda, Matelia medica. Unroasted coffee. Stimulates the functional activity of all organs, increasing the nervous and vascular activity. The drinking of coffee by the aged is likely to increase production of uric acid, causing irritation of kidneys, muscle and joint pains, and with the increased susceptibility of old people to the stimulating action of coffee and tea, their use should be curtailed or carefully watched. Great nervous agitation and restlessness. Extreme sensitiveness characterizes this remedy. Neuralgia in various parts, always with great nervous excitability and intolerance of pain driving to despair. Unusual activity of mind and body. Bad effects of sudden emotions, surprises, joy, etc. Nervous palpitation. Coffea is specially suited to tall, lean, stooping persons with dark complexions, temperament choleric and sanguine, skin hypersensitive. Mind, gaiety, easy comprehension, irritability, excited, senses acute. Impressionable, especially to pleasurable impressions, full of ideas, quick to act. Tossing about in anguish. Head, tight pain, worse from noise, smell, narcotics. Seems as if brain were torn to pieces, as if nail were driven in head. Worse in open air, sensitive hearing. Face, dry heat with red cheeks. Prosopalgia, extending to molar teeth, ears, forehead and scalp. Mouth, toothache, temporarily relieved by holding ice water in the mouth, hasty eating and drinking, delicate taste. Stomach, excessive hunger, intolerance of tight clothing after wine and liquor. Female, menses too early and long-lasting, dysmenorrhea, large clots of black blood, hypersensitive vulva and vagina, voluptuous itching. Sleep, wakeful on a constant move, sleeps till 3 a.m., after which only dozing, wakes with a start, sleep disturbed by dreams, sleepless on account of mental activity, flow of ideas with nervous excitability disturbed by itching of anus. Respiratory. Short, dry cough of measles in nervous, delicate children. Heart. Violent irregular palpitation, especially after excessive joy or surprise. Rapid high tension pulse and urinary suppression. Extremities. Crural neuralgia, worse motion afternoon and night, better by pressure. Modalities: worse, excessive emotions, narcotics, strong odors, noise, open air, cold night, better from warmth, from lying down, holding eyes and mouth. Relationship: incompatible, camphor, cocculus, complementary, aconite. Strong black coffee drunk as hot as possible is indispensable as an antidote in a large number of poisons, especially narcotics. Hot coffee by rectum in cases of extreme collapse. Antidotes: Nux-vomica, tabacum, dose 3rd to 200 potency.